Welcome to CARDESIGN.ACADEMY and our Gravity Sketch course. I'm going to show you a little bit about file management, specifically how to take a model that you've been working on locally and move it into a co-creation room, creating a new room so that other users can see and interact with your model. I'm going to start with clicking on File Manager. You'll see to the right I have everything on my local hard drive, and to the left I have everything on my landing pad cloud account. Now, you'll see here a small folder that says this is our co-creation group, our CARDESIGN Academy co-creation group. And here you'll see, again, all of our co-creation rooms. If I click back, you can see I can get back to the main lobby. But let's say I want to take one of my models that I've been designing locally and bring it into a co-creation space. Well, the first thing I'm going to do is make sure I have it saved locally, and then I'm going to move it to landing pad. So I'm just going to grab one of my files here with the middle finger button and bring it over to landing pad and just drop it. You can see it's uploading now to landing pad. So once it's on landing pad, the next thing I'm going to do is drop it into my CARDESIGN Academy sketch co-creation folder. So to do that, I'm going to grab it again. Now, one thing you'll see is the folders disappeared, and that's because I have a lot of files in my landing pad account. You can see I have this slider here. I can go back and forth, and you can see if I slide all the way to the left, I can see my folder. So how do I get this file all the way over there? What I'll do is I'll grab the file, and then using my thumb joystick button, I'm going to use the slider bar to work it back to the other side. And then from there, I'm going to drag it to the CARDESIGN Academy folder and release the middle finger button. Now you can see it says this sketch will be moved to a shared space and cannot be moved back. Are you sure? Now the answer is yes, because I already saved it to my local hard drive. So once it leaves, once it heads into the co-creation folder, it leaves the landing pad account. So it cannot be moved back. So you have to make sure you have it saved on your local hard drive. So the answer is yes. So then I just click on the folder, and you can see it's over here now as one of the co-creation rooms. Now, it hasn't been loaded yet. It's still in the cloud. So one of the things that I like to do just to make sure it loads correctly is I'll quit Gravity Sketch and restart. So now when I click on co-creation, I can upload and launch the room. You can see it's loading. And now I'm entering the room. So now I have my Italian coupe as a new co-creation space. And this is how you move a model from your local hard drive to a new co-creation room where others can interact with your design. Thanks for watching.